Hey guys, what's up? All right, Danny back again. So, give you guys an update on the Aussie small block, the V8 from Australia. So, I got a few more things in the mail. They come trickling in. I buy them little by little. So I got myself my timing gear set and my starter counter gear. And I got my intake manifold, and I was just messing with carburetors on here. This is a Weed Whacker carb. Now, here's what I did. I made myself a little distributor cap. 3D printed this thing, and I kind of was hoping the size would work out right. And there we go. Get in there. And I just put it into a, it looks like probably you go to Home Depot and get one of those gas fittings for a hose, or fuel fitting or whatever. And I had to make an upper plate for the intake manifold, because this one comes with no plate on the top, but it does come with the hardware. So what I did was I took a piece of aluminum, you can see the thickness of it there, and I just kind of cut it out, shaped it up, and put a center hole in here for where I'm going to put my carburetor on what kind of carb I'm going to use. And what I'll probably do with this here, as you can see, I ran just a bolt through the bottom of it here, because there is a little bracket that sets this off to the back to set it on if you'd like to, so you can run the wires up and have your glow plug igniters come right out of the distributor cap right to your glow plugs. So I'll probably end up doing that. And like I said, little by little, I've been buying whatever Gary whatever he puts up there on his auctions and stuff. And I'll put the link for that in below too. But I want to give you guys a size comparison. This is the Toyan L400. Okay. And you can see it's 4 bangers, pretty good size. But, comparable, beans to beans, it almost, they say this is a good 1/6 scale engine. I don't know, you could squeeze it in a 1/10 if you've seen my my prior video there when I had it on a bruiser frame, or my first start video on the other one I had that I installed in my Skyline up there, the 5th scale Skyline. And but when you figure out the size of the cylinder head, they're almost the same. Move some of the stuff out of the way and give you guys a size comparison. I know the twin turbos and everything's in the way here, so I'm just going to set this on top like this. And if you look at the cylinder heads on this, they are almost the same width and everything. It's just a hair bigger on this one. But so if anybody knows what the size of the Toyan L400 is, then they're going to know what the Aussie V8 is too. And this under here, what you do with extra tires from a build, you use them as a jack stand. There you go. So basically, I think I mentioned this in my last video, I'm down to valve train, rods, pistons, and cylinders, and some valve covers, I believe, and hopefully this thing will be ready to roll. So, and glow plugs and a carburetor. But hey, it is what it is. Now this carburetor setup here I had on my my other V8 that I built years and years ago. I made this adapter plate and all that. I could actually use that on there if I wanted to and mount that there, or I could not use it and mount that there, like so. So for now, it's it's going to have something on it. I do have an OS carb that I had around forever, and wrong way. There we go. And most of them are here. I guess he sells them with the Perry carbs, and they seem to run very well with the Perry carbs. So as far as this is a 21 style racing carb. It was off an old OS 21 Max or something I had years and years ago. But I guess if you use these, you got to do some converting inside. So, but still looks cool. So anyway, that's that. And any questions, comments, hit me up. And you guys have a good one. Later.